Treasury Department announcing new guidelines giving investors more incentives and more time to invest in those opportunity zones. Opportunity zones allow investors and developers to defer or avoid capital gains taxes by investing in designated areas. Now, Republican members of Congress looking to expand that program to attract even more capital, and that's because opportunity zones were expected to bring in more than $100 billion. So far, it's only about $10 billion. Now, critics also say this program is helping investors more than many low-income communities. Projects being funded right now include luxury hotels, condos, and retail complexes in a lot of affluent areas like Manhattan, Miami, and the Bay Area. It is also funding some affordable housing in struggling areas, but there's no reporting requirement, so Treasury Department is never going to release a list of projects or what impact they're having. Guys, back to you.
It's also interesting because it's a current part of the narrative on the season of billions. But Robert, my question was about the president and the administration's claims. You know, when they talk about some of the racial protests that we've seen, the Black Lives Matter, and how they've been so beneficial as an administration toward African Americans with the unemployment rate, they also point to these opportunity zones and how they've taken the lead. So is your reporting suggesting that it's actually not helping lower income communities of color?
We just don't know, Sarah, and that's the problem. There were reporting requirements when this bill was written where it was bipartisan. You had Cory Booker on the Democratic side, Senator Tim Scott on the Republican side when this first became part of the tax cuts. Then mysteriously, the reporting requirement was taken out at the last minute, so we have no information on what projects are being funded or where they are. And so it's been left to journalists to find them, and they've been finding the ones that are supported by billionaires, the super yacht marinas in Florida, the Michael Milken project in Nevada. And so the short answer is we just don't know, and we won't know unless they change it to have a reporting requirement.
Yeah, if they're going to make those claims, they should certainly be transparent about it.